The V-Tuf GRINDEX1100LPS is a high-performance H-class industrial dust extractor built for the toughest site conditions. Designed specifically for fine and hazardous dust, the V-Tuf GRINDEX1100LPS delivers powerful high airflow extraction that captures particles right at the source, keeping the air cleaner and your workspace compliant. A multi-stage filtration system works alongside certified H-class HEPA filters to trap even the smallest airborne dust, including silica and other harmful materials. The automatic tool takeoff socket lets your vacuum start and stop with your grinder, sander, or saw, so extraction kicks in exactly when you need it. And when it's time to empty, the continuous liner back system keeps things clean and controlled. Just seal, cut, close, and dispose. Built with a tough, job site-ready body, heavy-duty fittings, and industrial motors, the V-Tuf GRINDEX1100LPS is made for daily use on construction sites, workshops, and floor prep environments. More airflow, less exposure, cleaner results. The V-Tuf GRINDEX1100LPS. Serious dust control for serious work.